Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one tool which is called Pictory.ai. So it will help you create videos from long form videos. It can automatically create short, highly shareable branded videos from your long form videos. So this is your complete video marketing toolkit using artificial intelligence. It can turn scripts into jaw-dropping sales videos. So Pictory uses AI to automatically create high conversion videos, sales letter complete with the stock footage, music and voiceovers in just few minutes. It can also transform blog posts into engaging videos on autopilot. So this will boost search engine rankings and watch your readership skyrocket. So you can add captions to your videos automatically. You can reach your 80%, 85% of social media videos are watched on mute. So you can increase your reach with this. So Pictory automatically adds captions to your videos quickly and easily. So these are some of the functionalities of Pictory. So if you want to turn automatically extract short video snippets from long videos, this is possible. You can turn text blog posts into engaging videos on autopilot. So if I try to show you that, this is how it works.
Short demo of our video editing capability with Pictory, where you start with a video and you can edit that video using text. So to start with the video, I basically drag and drop a video right here, and I click upload. And it's going to upload the video as well as transcribe the video, as in convert that to text. Once this is done, we can see the video here and we can see the transcription of the video right here. And you can now browse the video by browsing the transcription. I can say, where is Obama talking about the border? I can search for specific words. I can say, show me where Obama talks about Canada. And I can go to that specific word in the speech and I can then play it right here. The other thing I can do is I can actually edit the video, as in remove parts of it, cut parts of the video by simply selecting the sentences. So for example, I can just select this sentence and delete this sentence. So this sentence is not only deleted from the transcript, but it's also deleted from the video because we have a timestamp for every word here. I can also delete things at a word level. So some of these, you can see some of these filler words, us and ums, are automatically highlighted, and I can simply press this button to remove those words automatically. So us and ums are gone. And now what we have is the rest of the speech. I can also select specific words and delete them, they're not just gone from the transcript, but they're gone from the video. The other thing I can do here is I can summarize the video. So I can select that, hey, I want a 25% representation of this video. So we use our AI to summarize this video. And you see basically now it selects a certain set of sentences that our AI thinks are the best representation of this video or of this speech. So I go now to the next step, and what you will see is every sentence that was selected in the summary will become part of the scene, and you can see all the parts that I removed are gone from the video. Now, what I can also do here is I can do something called a B-roll. I can replace the visual in a certain scene with something else. So say when he's talking about the border between the US and Canada, I can search for a picture of a US border and replace Obama's face with that picture. So now what will happen is, while the speech will be continuing, will be Obama's speech, the visual that will be shown in this scene will be of a border between the two countries. So very easy to create B-rolls. The other thing that Pictory lets you do very easily is apply these brand settings. So I have the Pictory logo here on every scene. I can also customize how my text shows up and the fonts and the color schemes by just simply clicking on brand settings. Finally, once we're happy with this, we can preview this whole video, and then we can generate it. When you generate it, it will generate an MP4 file, and it would also generate a closed caption file, SRT file, that you can download for other purposes. So thank you, and I hope you find this useful.
hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.